Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and we're looking at my account that I started with $250. I'm going to make a withdrawal. I already transferred about 10,000 to my wallet already. I've already been making withdrawals, as you can see, making transfers. So I just said let me round it up at $10,000. So I'm going to talk about the broker that I use also. I'm going to show you the whole process of making withdrawals. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, sign up with Mirga Markets, the broker that I use, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account to $500 minimum. And if you open an account, you can open a bonus account also. If you have between $250 to $20,000, you can get the 100% deposit bonus using my link. So that means if you want to copy my trades, maybe you have $10,000, you get 100% deposit bonus. Now you have $20,000 to use to make more money in the market. Guys, make sure to watch this video to the end to see the whole process of me making my withdrawals. And yeah, let's get into that trade. And also, if you want to test my software that helped me to scalp my trades, swing trade, and help me to hedge, because when I exit my trades, I don't use stop loss. That's just losing your money. I hedge out my trades like the hedge funds, so I make profits to cover my loss, and my software tells me when to buy, where to buy, where to exit, where to sell, where to hedge, everything I need to know. If you need to test it for 2 weeks for free, sign up with the link in the description below for Mirga Markets. Make sure you have at least $150. But if you want to get 100% deposit bonus, have at least $250, then send me proof of that so that I know that you are serious about testing the software. With that being said, if you want to learn how to take any trade, you want to learn how to take live trades, you want to learn with me while I'm taking live trades, I'll teach you with live scalping trades, I'll teach you with live swing trades, I'll teach you with live hedging. Go to hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, we'll be right back. I'm going to log in. I'm going to go to Mirga Markets now and make my withdrawal. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment if you have any questions, or just comment for the algorithm in general. We'll be right back with the withdrawal video in the next phase. All right, guys, so we're on the Mirga Market website. If you have any questions from them, you can just chat with their live chat here. So I'm going to give you the steps to follow and explain the broker to you on how to copy my trades. So if you want to copy my trades, when you log in, there are different account types. There's the classic ECN, there's the trader ECN, and then there's the custom ECN. For those who are depositing a large amount of money, you can discuss with them to get lower commission. Okay, if you want to copy my trades, remember to choose the trader ECN. Make sure that you have at least $350 in your account to be able to copy my trades. I would advise minimum $500, but you can also start with $350. If you want to make your deposits and withdrawals, you can do that in cryptocurrencies. And I'll show an example of that also, withdrawing my $10,000 account. You can deposit and withdraw in BTC, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, BNB, and many more other cryptocurrencies, as I'll show you when I'm in my withdrawal video. And the platform we use mostly is MT4. Okay, so it's the usual MetaTrader. Remember, if you want to test my software, you have to have MetaTrader also and use this broker. And yeah, so let's say you open your account, you choose the open live account, you click the platform for MT4, you choose your account type. If you want the deposit bonus, choose trader bonus. Okay, remember to choose trader bonus because that gives you 100% deposit. All right, 100% bonus. All right, then you click open live account. Now, let's say you've opened your live account. In order to be able to copy my trades, you go to manage accounts, then you type the account number that I've put in my Telegram group. And if you need the account number, send me a message on WhatsApp or Telegram, and then you'll be connected to my account to copy my trades. Okay, and now we'll just transition to the next period where I make my $10,000 withdrawal. See you soon there. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you make a comment in the comment section when if you want to ask a question. You can message me on WhatsApp and Telegram. So yeah, this is how you deposit. You set your amount, you set your currency, and you deposit in Bitcoin. We'll be right back with the withdrawal video soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and click comment, and make sure you turn that notification bell on. And here we are on the Mirga Markets homepage. I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to click login. As you can see, I have $10,000 that I've already moved from my main live trading account to my wallet. Okay, let me show you an example of if you want to withdraw. This is the account that I have. Okay, I'm going to withdraw $100 from it, move it from my main MT4 account, transfer it to my Mirga Markets wallet. Okay, as you can see, 10,155 over that. Then you go and click withdraw, and then you type the amount that you want, 10,100, and then you just copy and paste your crypto address. I'm going to be making my withdrawal in BTC. Paste your crypto address, boom, 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 and then you click withdraw funds. And very soon it's loading. There you go. Withdrawal done. Okay, withdrawal done. I should get an email from Milgram Markets confirming the withdrawal. And yeah, plain and simple as that. We started this account with $250. We've made over $10,000 withdrawal. We started this account in about 3 months. Okay, remember, if you want to copy my trades, make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account. And make sure you go for the deposit bonus using my link. You use the link in the description below and you get 100% deposit bonus. So if you deposit 1,000, you get 100% deposit bonus up to the amount of 20,000. So you want to take advantage of this, because you can use this. If you are going to make $50 profits, now you can have the advantage of using it to make $100 profit. If you have any questions, send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. Make sure you don't miss out on this profit for the people who are busy. There you go. And that is my withdrawal done. Okay, so this is the confirmation of my withdrawal. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section or send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram, and come make profits with me. If you want to learn, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back with another trading video soon.